Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a really nice Saturday here in October, and what better way than to check out a car show. This is the Linnings car show in Louisville, Kentucky. Let's go there and check out some cars. All right. Well, here we got a, what'd you say, 97?
97 GMC Sonoma Coach Street Rod.
So it looks like we got a Vortec 350 in here and a 97. Sorry guys, I'm dog sitting today. The camera work might be a little on the shaky side. Looks like the install's done really, really well. I like the small cap distributor. It mounted the coil on the bracket on the master cylinder. What did you say, Edelbrock carb?
Yep. Full barrel.
So we got the powder works, or the Power Master alternator.
I honestly
there.
couldn't tell you much.
How does it run? Does it run hot or anything? Does it stays nice and cool? Interior is just a kind of like a stock interior with a.
It is. It's all original interior.
Yeah. Very nice, man. Oh, I like the gauges. Check the gauges out. And so we did my son. He's actually the owner of this dog. We did we got 86. We got a 350 Vortec in it.
Oh wow!
And we went on power tour this past summer. Except we started power tour. We actually didn't make it. For whatever reason, the engine's locked. We haven't even dug into what's wrong with it. But
oh wow!
Looks like we're swapping an LS engine right now. But it's very nice, man. It's a very nice build. Kind of like the wheels, something nice and simple. You know, the nice little street rod. Little hot rod. Oh, the dog just got somebody's attention. Sorry. All right. Well, I appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
We're gonna try a cold start with this thing. There she is. What mufflers are you using? Turbo mufflers?
I'm not for sure. I haven't actually even looked at the mufflers.
All right.
I know it's got straight pipes.
Straight pipes, so maybe no muffler at
I
all.
don't think it has anything. It's just straight headers and pipes on it, I do believe.
All right, man. Well, thank you.
No problem. Thanks you.
Still got a few classics like this running around. They did upgrade the wheels and probably the brakes too. The engine still seems to be the old 265 maybe. 2-barrel carb. Still running a generator. Did upgrade some headers. It's a nice car though. Yeah, I dig this one. I probably want to put a bigger engine in there, maybe a late model 350 roller cam. Maybe that's just me though. Well, so far I haven't found the owner of this one, but this is a nice little build. It's like a 6-liter instead of a short bus. Oh, so big you can't hardly get it all in frame. This would be my idea of a good vacation car. Take a bunch of people with you on vacation. I don't know how well that's gonna reflect. But I dig it. Yeah, I dig it. We got a Plymouth Superbird. Look at that, 426 Hemi. It's very, very clean. Very clean. Interior super nice. Iconic wing. Thing is clean one end to the other, inside and out. Oh, yeah. Very, very, very nice. Well, anybody knows me, I'm a 68 Camaro guy, and look at this one. This one's just a breathtaking. Look at this. You say a LS6 engine with a Magnuson supercharger, right?
Yep, LS6 with Magnuson supercharger.
It'll get flashier than that. What have you estimate on the horsepower?
It's 500 at the back tire.
500 at the rear wheels. That's probably six at the engine.
Yeah, something like that.
Automatic, manual.
It's got a 4L80E transmission overdrive.
4L8. Should we know? And then late model Camaro seats.
And they're like a 93 Camaro seats. Minus the headrest.
I said they were shortened, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, we just didn't use the headrest.
Then what was 20s on the back?
I think they're 18s. I got a new set of wheels ordered. I think they're 17s and might be 17s and 19s.
See the billet fast lanes?
17s and 19s.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, and I have
19 out back.
I have a black set of billet specialties ordered.
Anything special on the tail pan and special lights? LED, I guess.
Yeah, actually, you kind of need to see the motion of these lights. Most people don't have them.
Chevy, no, Chevy, quit. Sorry, still dog sitting. Oh, look at that. I see the sequential, but those are some. Yeah, those are something different.
That's chasing.
Chasing taillights for turn signals. Well,
Headlights, the halo that's around the headlights, I can change them to any color.
well, she's beautiful.
Thank you.
What color was that? Blue.
It's a Belle Eyes Blue Pearl.
All right. Well, she's beautiful.
Thank you.
So, got a late model Mustang with a nice little power adder. It's like a Vortex supercharger. I haven't found the owner of this one either. It's a really nice ride though. Definitely dig this one. And wait till you see what I got in store for you next. Who else likes gassers? I like gassers. That home built gasser. Small Chevy. Aluminum heads. Electric water pump. Tilt front end. It's like built on a dig it. Oh yeah, I like it. Here's another one that's really nice. Looks like they're getting lower than that. My God, look at that. And it's something a little bit more exotic. I'm pretty sure they call that a Y-block Ford. 3 carburetors. Oh yeah, that's really nice. There was a lot of nice cars. Really too many to get a video of all of them. So get a little drive by. Meantime, I'm thirsty and I think this dog is too. We're gonna get some water. I'll give it to Mike Linnings. They really do put on a nice show. That's all I love you guys. If you enjoyed this channel, give me a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. and share with your friends if you know anybody who else likes this content.